Hello everyone, Valentine Ose here for Graded Picture Playground. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to isolate colors in your video. So to get started, let's bring this particular footage into our timeline. Keep existing settings. These are footages that I got from pzes.com. Pzes is a website where you can download free stock footages which you can use for your video project. Let's say we want to isolate this blue flower from the green. There are two ways to get this done. I will start with the basic. Subsequently, we create more advanced using the HSL secondary tool present in the Premiere Pro CC. So we search for leaf color, and it pops up. Leaf color is under color correction in your video effects inside of Premiere Pro CC. We apply it to this very footage. You come to your effects and control. These are the settings. You see the leaf color here. So you pick this eyedropper and select the particular color that you intend leaving, which is this blue flower. We've selected it. So all you do, nothing has actually happened. You come to your amount to decolor. You push it up to 100. If you take it up to 100, you say it's not looking outstanding. Reason being that the tolerance is not yet on. And if it happens this way, another thing you can do is to come to your match color using the hue instead of the RGB. So let's go back to that using RGB and see what we're talking about. You see that there are spills in the blue flower. You can see at the base here of this particular flower, the affected color is reflective on the blue flower itself, which is not supposed to be so. So to get that corrected is for you to come down to under your match colors and click on using hue, and you see everything works up. So you can also increase the tolerance a bit. The tolerance helps you to push up the particular color which you have affected. So let's leave this on 25. And you see, so this is the simple way to isolate color. You might have seen this in various movies where you see a particular color will be in a black and white background, and you wonder how it's done. This is the simple way. I will be creating subsequent tutorials in the advanced way on how to isolate colors from your footages. I hope you've learned something from this tutorial on how to isolate color. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumb up and share with your friend. I am Valentine Ose. See you in our next tutorial.